Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up our adorable crochet baby jumpsuit designs ideas, rompers designs ideas. Hopefully you like this video and hopefully you like this all the ideas, all the designs. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Get ready to create a comfortable and stylish garment for your little ones. In this video, we will be making a stylish crochet baby rompers and jumpsuit designs ideas. These are perfect for any occasion in different seasons. This jumpsuit is sure to impress. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and texture. To shape the legs, we will use techniques. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or jumpsuit styles. Add embellishment like button, applique work, beads, pearls, stones and many other accessories you use and decor your jumpsuit easily. And that's it, your crochet baby jumpsuit is complete and ready to wear and ready to gift. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah really live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. If you want any questions, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. You visit my YouTube channel and watch my previous videos about crochet work and knitting work. I will upload many different type of videos on my YouTube channel such as crochet work, baby frock, ladies dresses, jumpsuit, crop top, purse, bags, home decoration ideas and many different accessories. You visit my channel and watch my more different ideas. Take care of yourself, like this video and share with your friends, relatives, customers, crochet work experts and others. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload it next video about your comment. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Thanks for stitching along with me today. And please share your creativity with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.